lots of colors. Orange color, aqua color, pink color, yellow color, green color, red color, brown color. Let's learn to draw some 2D shapes. Semicircle, semicircle, trefoil, trefoil, circle, circle, right angle triangle, 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 parallelogram, parallelogram. Let's color the shapes. Brown color, brown color, yellow color, yellow color, pink color, pink color, orange color, orange color, blue color, blue color, red color, red color, semicircle, trefoil, circle, right angle triangle, triangle, parallelogram. Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.